I've spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches, but before that, I was a nuclear power electrician. In the nuclear world, you don't guess, you rely on hard data and built-in redundancies. I bring that same no-nonsense technical mindset to your backyard. Today, we're looking at a premium tier showdown, the Maytag PSH4BF versus the York YH6. Both are ducted split heat pumps, and while they might look similar from the curb, the technical specs tell a very different story about long-term reliability. Let's start with the cabinet protection, because that's your first line of defense against the elements. The Maytag PSH4BF features a full louvered coil guard, solid steel panels with angled slots that shield those delicate aluminum fins from hail, flying debris, or the neighborhood kids' soccer balls. Now, the York YH6 uses slotted steel panels. From a technician's perspective, both are a massive upgrade over an exposed coil, but those heavy-duty louvers on the Maytag still offer a bit more physical armor against high-velocity impacts while maintaining critical airflow. When we move into the efficiency and electrical guts, both units are pushing a solid 8.1 HSPF2. They both utilize two-stage compressors, which is where my background in electrical theory comes into play. As a former nuke electrician, I'm always looking at inrush current, that massive spike of electricity that happens the second a motor tries to start. Because these are two-stage systems, they often start in their lower capacity, which significantly reduces that initial electrical hit compared to a basic single-stage clunker. This means less wear and tear on your contactors and your home's electrical panel. However, the Maytag has a distinct advantage in the air department. It features a variable speed condenser fan, whereas the York YH6 uses a more traditional fan. That variable speed fan on the Maytag allows the unit to fine-tune its head pressure and operate much quieter during those long summer nights. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the price. For the equipment alone, the Maytag PSH4BF condenser unit typically retails between $2,200 and $3,500. When you factor in a full professional installation, including the indoor coil, line sets, and labor, you're looking at an out-the-door price between $9,500 and $4,000. The York YH6 is often the more budget-friendly premium option. The equipment usually lands between $800 and $3,000, with an estimated installed price ranging from $7,500 to $11,500. You're saving a few thousand upfront with the York, but we need to see what that extra money buys you with the Maytag. Before we crown a winner, here's a piece of field-tested advice. These high-tech coils are magnets for dirt. Whether you have louvers or slotted panels, you must get a pro out once a year to wash those coils down. A dirty coil forces that two-stage compressor to work twice as hard, spiking your head pressure and eating your energy savings for breakfast. The warranty battle is where the Maytag PSH4BF really flexes its muscles. The York YH6 offers a standard, respectable 10-year warranty on parts and the compressor. But Maytag goes further. They offer a 12-year warranty on parts and the compressor, plus a 12-year unit replacement guarantee. If that compressor fails within the first 12 years, Maytag doesn't just send you a part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. So, here is the verdict. While the York YH6 is a solid American-made value pick with better-than-average slotted panel protection, the Maytag PSH4BF is the definitive winner for the homeowner's bottom line. Between the superior variable speed fan tech and that industry-leading 12-year unit replacement warranty, the Maytag provides a level of technical insurance that the York just can't match. If you're investing this kind of money, you want the peace of mind that comes with the Maytag's armor and its long-term guarantee. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website to see how these stack up against the rest of the market. Stay comfortable.